IPL tidbits with Sid, who is all excited about today's match, who's wearing red, and I'm sure he just can't wait for it. And Car. All right, Sid. Okay, so I'm sure like we're going to talk a lot about today's match, okay? But before that, we had two wonderful matches yesterday, and all of that in the day that was. All right, Sid. Starting with the first match of the day, Trailblazers versus Velocity. Do you think Velocity just didn't have enough time to recover after that very, very close match the day before yesterday?
They just probably didn't get enough sleep after that loss. Wait, did they lose or win the
They
first game?
win. They won it.
They won. Yeah, yeah. I think they were
Yeah.
partying very hard. Sorry, my bad. I remember they were partying through the night, and then like, you know what? Next match is going to be a walkover. The Trailblazers. Sophie Eccleston must have heard about their plans, and she came and ruined it, didn't she?
Yeah, she definitely ruined it. The most important thing was the initial battle, between Julan Goswami and Shefali Verma. I mean, it was the
Hmm.
legend taking on the prodigy, and yeah, the game still proves that there is place for experience, isn't it?
I think she's taking a cue from CSK with all the senior citizens playing the league and still performing well. So good on you, Dylan Goswami and Shafali
Yeah,
Verma. You have a long way to go, but you'll definitely go all the way up.
right. Fantastic, fantastic was that. And yeah, Sophie Eccleston, like apart from the 4 wickets she took, it's also who she took, wasn't it? She took Mitali and yeah, Veda and Sushma. I
Very
mean, yeah, the
true.
uh, backbone of the velocity lineup, and that's it. It was match over there. And the best part was it was all bowled or LBWs. Okay, so
Mm.
amazing line and length.
I think they've been taking cues from KKR. I think they must have had some kind of training from the KKR team who seem to have lost the first five batsmen very early. So these
Uh-huh.
people must have followed the same protocol.
Yeah, and yeah, they actually fought pretty well as well. And yeah, but it was just game over, wasn't it? Like it was just game over there. Doughton came in and she didn't mess around. She scored a quick 529. And yeah, so the match was over very early. So now they will have to wait for the result of the next match, Supernovas versus Trailblazers, to see if they make it to the final or not, since they have a very, very low run rate. So that was the first match of the day. So moving on to the qualifier, when Delhi won the toss and chose to field, a lot of people thought it was going to be evenly fought contest, because with the dew coming in and all of that, and everybody thought Mumbai had to actually score an above par total, and that's what they did they?
Yeah, they romped up 200 runs with barely any effort. I felt last 5 overs, Mumbai got 90 runs of just 30 balls, and the way Pandya and Ishan Kishan were batting,
Hmm.
it's they looked like they were just unstoppable. And give them another 5 overs, they would have probably hit 300 for all I know. Despite having Rohit and Pollard out for ducks.
Yeah, so that actually talks a lot about their batting strength. Okay, Ashwin got both Pollard and Rohit for ducks, but still they managed to score 200. And just when we thought, okay, with the dew coming in and the famed batting lineup of Delhi, it's going to be interesting. First 8 balls hit, 0 for 3, and the match was over, wasn't it?
Yeah, I'd actually predicted that they would lose a wicket in the first over itself. I put all my money in Prithvi Shaw getting out, and he didn't disappoint. But it was a little overwhelming when they lost 3 wickets. But all credit goes to Trent Bolt. Fantastic over. He
Right,
coaxed both Prithvi Shaw and Ajinkya Rahane into playing those
right.
shots, and he was deserved of those 2 wickets.
Hmm.
Bumrah came and bowled a fantastic Yorker to Shikhar Dhawan. That is unplayable. I mean, Dhawan, when he removed his helmet, is walking back. He's smiling. He's probably clapping at the back of his head, was saying, fantastic delivery. You can't do anything about that.
Right,
But
right,
that
right,
was the slippery slope that unfortunately Delhi was down on,
right.
and Stoinis and Akshar Patel were looking good. I was actually thinking these guys will rescue Delhi and go after that historic
Hmm.
win, but
Right.
it's asking too much at the end of the day.
Correct. So they did try to make a match of it, but as we all know, after 0 for 3, it was just mere formality. And Mumbai Indians are the first team to reach the finals of the IPL 2020, and they have a shot at their fifth title. Oh my God, it's Penta, isn't it? Fifth title. My goodness. All right. So moving on, we have the eliminator. Yeah, I mean, I like these terms, qualifier, eliminator, rather than calling them semi-finals and finals. All right, eliminator. It's a Sunrisers Hyderabad taking on Royal Challengers of Bangalore. Sunrisers said won three in a row. RCB has lost four in a row. But when they step onto the field in Abu Dhabi, nothing of that is going to matter.
I hope so. And I hope they look at this as a fresh game where they can let
Mhm.
go of whatever that has happened in the past. I'm talking about RCB. Sunrisers are on a total winning streak. They are hot favorites for this game. I will not deny it. I love RCB, but I think Sunrisers may pick them over because of the momentum that they're coming with and with the kind of confidence Saha and Warner are in, uh, Rashid Khan and who's the other guy? That bowler.
Sandeep Sharma.
Sandeep Sharma, my goodness, he
Uh,
is in solid form. And these guys are just going to win the match for Sunrisers if at all that happens.
yeah,
RCB, you got to play out of your skins to win this one.
yeah. So a lot of interesting matchups here. Just want to get your thoughts on it. Who's going to win these battles? Sandeep Sharma versus Devdutt Padikkal.
We saw what happened in the previous time they played. Devdutt
Uh-huh.
got out to Sandeep Sharma. It might just happen again.
But in the first match, I think he played really well. Devdutt Padikkal, I think he scored a 50 against SRH. So yeah,
Yeah.
that's going to be interesting.
But
And Rashid Khan versus Virat Kohli.
if it's not for the googly, it's Kohli all the way.
Okay, great. So Jason Holder versus AB de Villiers.
Mr. 360, man. He's going to sweep Jason Holder for a six. Just to watch.
Yeah, so pressure match, and I'm sure he's going to prove his worth. So Siraj versus David Warner.
Siraj is going to try and wear the Jofra Archer hat and try and outfox Warner.
I'm sure he
Will-
would have, I'm sure he would have given a call yesterday to Jofra Archer. All right. UZ versus Kane Williamson.
Oh, that's a neutral territory for me actually because both are my favorites and it's going to be really tough to decide a winner in that. So I'll probably have to go with UZ because
Uh-huh.
Kane's not in his best form of late and it might play on his head if he plays tonight.
Correct. And the final one, Washington Sundar versus Manish Pandey.
Pandey, bro.
Pandey.
Pandey.
Okay, all
Tough.
right. So it's going to be a super evenly contested contest between RCB and SRH, and my money is actually in RCB side. Okay, because I really think since they've lost four in a row, we have the big match players: Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers, and everyone, and fresh talent as well, and you take for that matter even Yuzi Chahal. So I'm sure they're going to come out on top, and they're just going to have a fresh start, and they're going to do it. So coming to the man of the match contest. So Sophie Eccleston, we had a lot of right entries, so it was a fairly obvious choice. And the winner today is all right, the man from West Indies, Dreras.
Come on, Jamaica 1-1.
Yeah.
You won, man. You
All
won.
right, congratulations, Dreras.
Up top.
Yeah, and yeah, for the second match, we had only one right choice. We had a lot of predictions on Ishan Kishan and Hardik Pandya, but the man of the match was Jasprit Bumrah, and it's right there. It's Jas MJ. Congratulations to all winners. So Jas MJ, we've been following you, and we know you have predicted the man of the match right a lot of times. But unfortunately, you were not able to win, and then probably you decided, okay, I'm just going to take things into my own hands. And yeah, so you are the clear winner this time. So congratulations, winners. And this is going to be the link to predict for the eliminator. Keep predicting, have fun with us, and enjoy the cricket. Cheers, guys. RCB, RCB,
Very well said. I'm not sending the boys over.
yeah.